Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on the Melrose Hill Bypass in Manchester, and we are taking a look at the construction of the Highway 2000 Maypen to Mandeville leg. Some persons just refer to it as the Mandeville Highway. So Highway 2000 is to run all the way from Kingston to Montego Bay, and it's been built out in phases. So the Kingston to Maypen leg is finished. You can drive on it. Very nice road, 4 lanes, dual carriageway. We have lots of videos up on the highway. And then they're continuing from Maypen to Mandeville now. So that's the leg we're looking at. And then from Mandeville, it will go through St. Elizabeth until it reaches Montego Bay. So this section of the highway, the Maypen to Mandeville leg, that's what we're going to talk about today. It's 90% complete, and it should be finished early this year. I think they had said March 2023. So it's going to be a 4-lane dual carriageway, just like the rest of the highway. And there you can see they're actually using those steel casings to build a barricade to separate the roads. So the thing about it now is that from the highway, this section will start at the Rio Mino Bridge in Maypen and continue to Clarendon Park, running along the main road or running adjacent or beside the main road. And then in Clarendon Park, it's going to go over the hill. So from Clarendon Park to where we are now, the Melrose Hill Bypass, the highway is going to run over the hill, and then when it's going to come back out on the Melrose Hill Bypass. So this bypass is going to be incorporated into the highway. So that's what's being done now. And you're going to have exit ramps, entrance ramps, overhead bridges. A lot of construction is going on out here. Now, it's very important to note the Melrose Hill Bypass was not a part of Highway 2000 before. It was an independent road just to bypass the Melrose Hill. So Highway 2000 is a toll road. So when the highway comes back out here at Melrose Hill Bypass, it's going to incorporate the bypass. But it's important to note you don't have to pay to use this section of the highway. So if you're coming from the Melrose Hill Bypass, or if you're coming from Porus to Williamsfield, you can drive on this leg of the Highway 2000 for free. Same thing if you're coming from Williamsfield to Porus, it's free. Now, if you're going to go from there's going to be an overhead bridge that takes you onto Highway 2000. That is where the toll plaza is going to be, and that's when you pay. So you can use the Melrose Hill Bypass for free. But if you want to get onto Highway 2000, you're going to have to pay toll. And Highway 2000 is a toll road. From Kingston to Maypen, you have to go through 2 toll plazas, and there's going to be a 3rd one on your way to Mandeville, or Williamsfield to be more specific. And of course, you don't need to ask who the contractor is. It's China Harbour Engineering Company. They are the ones that build all these main roads or deal with these major road projects. They're also building the Southern Coastal Highway that takes you from Harbourview to Portland. And they are going to be the ones upgrading the Northern Coastal Highway that takes you from Port Antonio to Negril. So a lot of construction work going on really these major highways in Jamaica.